In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track duration goals in GA4 by creating a custom event when a user has been engaged on your site for a set amount of time. Start by opening the Google Analytics property you want to configure. In the bottom left corner, click Admin. This is where you can manage your property's tracking setup and create custom events based on the data GA4 already collects. From the admin area, go to Data Display, then select Events. Here, you can create a new event based on conditions from an existing event. Quick side note, for more practical GA4 tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Now click Create Event, then select Create to start building a new custom event. Give the event a clear descriptive name. For example, if you want to track visitors who stay engaged for 5 minutes, enter engaged_5_minutes. Using a specific name makes the event easier to recognize later in your reports. Next, set the matching conditions. Set event_name to equals user_engagement. Then add the engagement_time_MSCC condition and set it to is greater than your target duration in milliseconds. For a 5 minutes duration goal, enter 30000 since 5 minutes equals 300,000 milliseconds. This tells GA4 to create your custom event once the user engagement time goes beyond that threshold. When everything looks correct, click Create to save the event. And that's it. You've created a GA4 duration-based event to track users who remain engaged for your target amount of time.